Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are gonna have a look at wireless range extender. Wi-Fi or wireless range extender is used to extend the coverage area of your Wi-Fi network. It works by receiving your existing Wi-Fi signal, amplifying it, and then transmitting the boosted signal. With a Wi-Fi range extender, you can effectively double the coverage area of your Wi-Fi network, reaching far corners of your home or office, different floors, or even extend coverage to your lawn. Wi-Fi range extender is a stand-alone product that sits between your wireless router and the location where you want better wireless coverage. Wi-Fi extender is connected to your router either wirelessly or through a wired connection to extend your internet signal into rooms that are Wi-Fi dead zones due to walls, barriers, or distances. Transmission speed for clients connecting through a range extender is not usually the same as direct service from the router, and there is an increase in latency for each hop. Range extenders are more effective for clients that can access a weak signal than for those who cannot access a signal at all. There are a couple of solutions to try before using a Wi-Fi extender. The simplest is to try moving the location of your Wi-Fi router. It should be in the most central location possible. If that doesn't help, then check if your router needs to be upgraded. If you have had an older model for many years, probably it could be time for an upgrade to a more powerful model. If both solutions don't work, then surely you would need a Wi-Fi range extender. Let's take a real-life example for a better understanding. Here is a typical structure of a home. Let's say you have picked the most perfect location to install a wireless router, downstairs in the family room. Someone in an upstairs room finds out that signals coming up are very weak or no range because of walls or physical distances between the router and the user. If the user is situated in the same room where the router is placed, then obviously he will get stronger signals. And if he moves away from router's range, then definitely signals would get weaker. So in this case, you would need a Wi-Fi extender. The efficiency of Wi-Fi extender depends on the placement of your device and the reliability of your internet connection. Think vertically. When it comes to the distance where you are looking to add coverage, install a Wi-Fi extender in the upstairs room that is nearest to being directly above where the router is located. For example, if your son's bedroom is directly above the family room where the router is located, plug Wi-Fi extender into one of the outlets in that room rather than in the master bedroom down the hallway. Now Wi-Fi extender will catch the router's signals, boost them and retransmit stronger signals to upstairs Wi-Fi users. This way they will be able to access powerful signals and can use the internet. Let's take a different scenario. In the summer, we love spending as much time as possible outdoors, even if that time has to be spent catching up on some work. On these occasions, we don't get Wi-Fi signals while sitting outside, probably because of distance. So when it comes to extending Wi-Fi signals into a nearby outdoor spot, we need to place Wi-Fi extender in a room with an outdoor access point so we could have internet access. Let's suppose we place it here. From here, Wi-Fi extender will grab router signals and will broadcast stronger signals in our lawn, where we will connect our devices with Wi-Fi extender and we could be able to use internet service. Technically speaking, Wi-Fi extender acts as a middleman between the user and the router. Wi-Fi repeater. These first generation extenders work the same way by grabbing the existing signal and rebroadcasting it. Wi-Fi booster. This is just another name for all Wi-Fi extenders and Wi-Fi repeaters. Alright, so this was all about today's video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.